Okay, I would like to see Candace Owens debate AOC, but I don't think AOC would do it. But these are a couple of debates that I've seen Candace do here. I'm gonna show a couple of these videos. Let me know what you think, and maybe we could do a little fact checking together. So check that out these videos.
Here to debate is Director of Urban Engagement for Turning Point USA, Candace Owens, and Fox News contributor and 2008 Clinton campaign advisor, Jehmu Greene. Thank you, ladies, for being with us.
The Democrats do not have a platform to stand upon in 2020. It's going to be more or less the exact same, doubling and tripling down on the tactics of race baiting. And quite frankly, America is tired of it. It's time to move on and close this chapter entirely.
And what Hillary says is not what the Democratic Party says. Those two things are not necessarily connected, even though
Jehmu, I find that to be really disingenuous for you to stand up there as a black American and defend the Democratic Party when we understand that over the last 60 years, they have completely decimated our communities. That is not an opinion. That is a matter of a
ridiculous.
fact. Single motherhood is up 71%.
That is not a fact.
That is 100% a fact that single motherhood is up 71%.
All right, let's do a fact check here. I'm gonna try to remember to put this link in the description below. I'm gonna read through this fairly quickly. It says father absence and community dissonance among black people postulated almost 50 years ago in the U.S. Department of Labor. Since then, the percentage of black children being raised in single parent homes has grown from 20% to 70%. Wow. According to the data from the American Community Survey. In the United States, 31% of black children have both a mother and father in the home. 53% have only a mother present. 7% have only a father presence. And 9% have neither parent present. These figures have been represented in various ways in media to portray a single parent crisis in the black community. So there you go. That's a fact check, and I'll put that link in the description below. So we're going to continue on with this debate.
Since the 1960s, we also see that in every major area, urban areas where you guys have a stronghold, our communities are decimated, okay? We have high crime rates. We have black people dying and killing one another. So I find your entire platform here to be completely disingenuous, okay? Donald Trump represents the very first opportunity for black Americans to jump off of this ideological slave ship that is the Democratic Party. And quite frankly, you should be ashamed that you're over here laughing at what our community is going through. I won't put up with that. That's ridiculous.
Do you think it's time for Democrats to separate themselves from Hillary Clinton?
Absolutely they should, but they're not going to because they have the exact same messaging as her, which is that they hate Trump. There is no other platform that they are standing on because none of their policies make sense. Ridiculous. And unfortunately, Jehmu Greene, you keep calling this ridiculous. But the only thing that is ridiculous is that people like you, like Al Sharpton, like Jesse Jackson, continue to sell out our community, which has been hurt over the years by Democratic policies. Absolutely 100%. It is time to move on from the Democratic narrative as black Americans entirely.
All right, Jehmu,
is the party that is going to make sure that when you've got white supremacists marching in the street, you're not sitting there saying that they're good people amongst them. Okay. Who is the party that has been there for them?
All emotion, no logic
protect
here.
Social Security and Medicare. These are the things that drive those
There's no
votes
message.
for the party.
She has no message whatsoever here.
Candace, Jehmu, thanks so much for coming on with us. We'll have to have you on again.
All right, let's go to this next debate. I like this one. Check it out.
Debate is Fox News contributor Jessica Tarlov, who is the Senior Director of Research for Bustle.com and the Communications Director for Turning Point USA, Candace Owens. Good morning, ladies. Good to have you with us.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Abby. I think we can all response that there are two issues at play here. There's the civility issue, which is what happened here with Sarah Huckabee Sanders, and I personally don't think that she should have been thrown out of the restaurant. I think you can have a conversation with someone about the beliefs and what this administration is doing without denying them service. We don't deny service to people for immutable characteristics. We can legally on the basis of political affiliation, but I don't think it was constructive and it hurts the debate. The other side to the issue is the fact that Republican women want to be deemed feminists and they want to have the same kind of clout as women on the left who are actually advocating for policies that help women, whereas the policies out of this administration actually hurt them, like refusing to raise.
But women that work for the president, they wouldn't say that. They would say actually the opposite. They would say that we believe in these issues and we feel like they help women.
Yeah, you can say whatever you want, but the statistics don't lie. We know that if you raise the minimum wage, 2/3 of people in this country on the minimum wage are women. They need that help. We know that there is assault on women's health care rights from this administration, things like that.
Jess, please, I hate this selective feminism that we hear on the left all the time, okay? Well, don't make this a feminism issue because it's not a feminism
but
issue.
It is,
when you're going out and attacking women, you're not, I'm not done, okay? When you're going out and attacking women, you are not a feminist.
Wow. I think this comment that Candace made struck a nerve. Yeah, you can see the expression on her face.
Not defensible whatsoever. And you sit here and you say this because you care about mothers. The basis of this is that people are upset that illegal immigrants are being separated from their mothers. Why don't you refocus some of that energy to the black community? They've been having their families separated. In fact, it's subsidized in the black community. You appreciate single motherhood. You are giving more money to families for fatherless absence.
That is true. It's true.
All of this selective fake outrage when you guys do not have the same defenses for the black community is really lost on me. And it's time's up on this altogether. I think the black community has had enough of you guys being selectively outraged for parents of illegal immigrants, but not for the parents of the black community who have been separated from their family for about 6 decades.
All right, and